Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can list products from CJ to eBay. So a lot of people don't know that CJ will source the product, like they will ship the product automatically to the customer after someone places an order on your eBay store. So you don't even have to worry about shipping the items manually. CJ Dropshipping will take care of everything. Now let's start right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on register in the top right, and you need to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. So I'm going to create an account using Google. I'm going to use this account. So as you can see, I've successfully created an account on Google, but I am going to delete this account and recreate it so that I can show you guys how you can link your eBay store to how you can link your eBay store to CJ Dropshipping. So I'm going to delete this account right now, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can start from scratch. Okay, I'm going to click on next. I'm going to get the code from my email so that I can confirm that I want to delete this account so that I can create a new account. Okay, this is the email verification code. I'm going to enter it here. So now I have successfully deleted my CJ Dropshipping. It's like I'm going to create a new one so that I can show you guys how you can connect it to eBay. So as you can see, this is my eBay account, as you can see. Now I'm going to register a new account. I'm going to register a new account using Google. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. Now I have created an account, which is a new account. It's empty. It has never connected to any platform like Shopify or eBay. So after you create a CJ Dropshipping account, you want to click on authorization in the top left, click on eBay. So after you click, guys, on eBay, what you need, guys, is you want to click on add store. As you can see, it will take you directly to eBay, and at the bottom you will see here confirm or grant access or something like that. It took me directly to this page because I already linked this eBay to CJ. Okay, so it took me directly to this page. Now for you will have to scroll down and you want to click on confirm or give access, something like that. And after it takes you to this page, that means you have successfully linked CJ to eBay. Now you will be able to list products. Now you want to scroll down and click on list now, and here you want to find any product here that you want to sell on eBay. So I would like to sell, for example, let me search for a random product. So it seems like all these products on CJ, they have videos. Yeah, I would like to add the product with a video. So I'm going to add this one. This keyword. Okay, keyboard. This keyboard, that's what I'm going to add. You want to scroll down a little bit, click on list. After you find the product that you want to list, of course. Here it says enter store name. So you need to go to your eBay store, click on username. This is your store name. Okay, paste it here. And after you add the store name, you want to select here CJ packet sensitive, like because the shipping time is going to be faster. So only 8 days. Here the price. So, but keep in mind, this is how much CJ charges you. So after you get a sale, CJ will take $50 of this sale. So you need to increase the price. So for example, $70. This one you will take $30. I will charge only $50. This one you will take $30. I charge $50. This one you will take $50. I will charge $70. This one you will charge like different variations, different sizes. They charge different amounts. This one you charge $30. I will charge, for example, $49. Click list it now. It says here select the store, as you can see. So for you, for me it says here select the store, but for you it will not. So you just need to click on list it now, and you will be able, guys, to list the product inside your eBay store. Now after someone buys the product from you, you will then be able to get the money, because the profit margin is going to be like 20, around like 30%. So each time you sell this on your eBay store, you will get paid. Now I have all these eBay stores. I haven't posted anything on them. I have other stores that I run. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do that. That's how you can list products to your eBay store. So hopefully this video, guys, hope if it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, I reply to every single comment.